BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The excavator got a boo-boo!
I'm Excavator Kubo, the best construction vehicle in Barrytown. Woohoo!
Oh, wow! Kubo is so cool!
I want to be an excavator too!
Haha! It's time to show off my skills! Kubo, you look so terrible. No. I'm feeling good. Look at me. My scooper arm is still very strong.
Oh gosh, Kubo! Stop right now! I think we should go to Barry's repair station. Oh! It's Excavator Kubo! Welcome to my station!
Super Mechanic Barry, I fell into a very big hole. Can you fix the damage to me?
Yes, of course! Let's go! Let's repair the excavator!
Oh, slow down! I think I'm breaking apart now.
Oh, there's a piece of broken glass. I think we should remove it first. Phew, that was a close shave. And now, we need to find a suitable piece of glass and have it installed. We have 3 pieces of glass with different shapes. Which one should we pick?
Without the glass, my heart feels so cold in the wind. Please hurry up.
Oh, I think this is the one. Aha! We did it!
Super Mechanic Barry, it seems like my scooper arm feels heavier.
Oh, don't worry. I'll fix your mechanical arm right now. Okay, let's do this. Screw in the arm tighter.
Haha! My arm feels strong again. Ouch! My body still hurts a bit. Ow!
Your body is hurt in 2 spots.
Oh, can I still be repaired?
Don't worry. I'm going to fix you. This crack isn't too big. A bit of welding will help. Uh-oh. It's much worse over here. And now, I'll weld and fix the crack.
Ha-ha-ha!
With a fresh coat of paint, you look even more dashing.
I like your suggestion. Please paint me, Barry.
Which color should we choose?
I want to try green. Oh my gosh! I look like I was poisoned!
Let's try yellow.
Wow! I look much cooler now!
You're all fixed. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you! I won't fall into a hole again!
Good luck to you.
I'd better get back to work now.
Goodbye, Kubo.
It's time to show off my awesome skills!
Wow, Kubo, so cool. Police car wheel is broken.
I protect Barrytown. My name is Sheriff Lake.
Oh my goodness! Someone's robbing the bank!
Give me that right now!
Oh no, something bad happened.
Haha! Bye! Thanks for the money!
You stop!
Oh? It's Sheriff Lake! You want to catch me? No way! I think I'm gonna give you a hard time. Hey there, Sheriff Lake! Watch where you're going!
Oh no! Ah!
Sorry, I've got to go. I hope not to see you again.
Hey, stop! Oh no, I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Barry's repair station. My name is Super Mechanic Barry. Oh, someone's coming. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake.
Super Mechanic Barry, please, I need your help right now.
Sure, no problem. Come on, friends. Let's fix the police car together.
Huh?
Oh, there's a nail stuck inside the car wheel. That's why the tire deflated. Let's use pliers to pull out the nail first. Oh, the tire is still deflating. Let's use some rubber to cover the hole.
My tire is still flat. There's no air.
Don't worry. I'm going to inflate your tire now.
Wow, this looks so cool.
And now, let's go to the car wash.
Wow, this car wash looks so professional.
Let's go ahead and see what's inside the toolbox. I think we should spray some washing liquid first. Oh, it looks like there are 2 spray bottles here. Which one should I use?
This one tastes sweet.
Oh my goodness! This is chocolate syrup.
Super Mechanic Barry, are you trying to make a police car cake? It tickles!
Now then, let's rinse the bubbles off with water.
Oh, that feels so cool!
Lastly, let's wipe the water off with a rag.
Wow, I feel so great!
Mission accomplished. Hey friends, thanks a lot for your help.
And now, I can continue doing my duty.
Help me!
What's that?
Hand over your wallet now.
A citizen needs my help. Goodbye, Barry.
Okay, Sheriff Lake, goodbye!
All this is mine now. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake. Gosh, I'd better run. I'm getting tired. I finally shook him off.
So who did you shake off?
Oh no!
Freeze! You're under arrest.
I promise not to do it again.
My siren!
Hey, you want to catch me? Dream on!
Stop right there! Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Huh? Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, here!
What? Oh my! I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police, to the rescue! Don't worry, I'm here.
Super Police, you finally arrived!
What happened?
I need to catch the escaped criminal quickly.
Ouch!
Oh, my siren!
Hey, you want to catch me? Dream on!
Stop right there! My siren is gone.
Oh, don't be sad. Let's help the police car find his siren and catch the criminal. Oh, which one is the police car siren?
Hey,
What?
I will go ahead.
Oh no! He's trying to escape! Let's quickly find the siren and catch the criminal! Oops, my mistake! This is a balloon, not the siren. We need to choose another one. Oops! Oh no! This is a bird! Oh my! The robber T-Rex is about to escape! We need to find the real siren quickly! Oh? You say we should try this one?
Oh, my siren is back! Robber T-Rex, you are not getting away!
Oh no, the police car! What?
Freeze! You are under arrest!
Oh no!
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him. Freeze, super duper policeman.
How did I get caught again?
Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time.